Hi friends, this is Nageshwan. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use drop cap into the text box created in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. Drop cap is a large capital letter used as a decorative element at the beginning of a text block or paragraph or section, which has the depth of 2 or more lines of the regular text. This will helps to drag the people's attention. Here I have created a text box with some text. Click in the text box after the letter that we want to apply drop cap and come to format, select drop cap. Here we will get different drop cap styles, each having its own font styles and font colors. And we will get a preview about this style. It is showing a large character at the beginning. Some of the drop cap styles will also have 2 letters. And here we can select the style we want. If don't find a style that suits to you, come to custom drop cap to design our own style. Here we can select the letter position after adding drop cap, and we can set the size of the letter in relation with the number of lines of the normal text. And we can select the number of letters. To apply the drop cap, we can restrict drop cap to the specific number of letters by selecting the number, and we can see the preview in the right side. And I want to restrict the drop cap to 1 letter. After this, come to letter appearance. We can change the default one, and also we can set custom font styles and font colors by unchecking in the boxes. Now the options will be activated. Click on the arrow and we can select our favorite preferences. I want to select Cambria and font style, bold, and come to color. I want to select blue, and we can see the result in the preview. Click on apply, OK, and we got the drop cap at the beginning of the text. Again, to remove the drop cap, click beside the letter in the beginning, and after that come to format. Again select drop cap. Here click on remove, and we will get back the default font style. Like this, we can use drop cap into the text boxes created in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.